Compact tractors are perfect for handling daily livestock and horse feeding tasks. They come with front-end loaders, feed mixers, and manure spreaders. These attachments make feed transport, preparation, and manure distribution easier. Efficient feeding saves time and ensures animals get consistent nutrition. Better nutrition leads to healthier animals. Proper manure management improves soil fertility, benefiting upcoming crops. But feeding is just the start of what these tractors can do. Maintaining clean barns, stalls, and arenas is crucial for animal health. Compact tractors with attachments like loaders, sweepers, and post drivers make it easier to keep these areas tidy and safe. Cleaner environments reduce disease risks and improve animal welfare. Efficient maintenance means more time for other important tasks. Post drivers and augers speed up fence repairs, helping secure the area. But how do these tractors keep pastures and paddocks in top shape? Compact tractors help keep pastures and paddocks well maintained. They use attachments like mowers, seed drills, and irrigation equipment. This ensures optimal grazing conditions for livestock. Ready to enhance your livestock facility with a compact tractor? Contact us now to find the perfect fit for your needs.